in a world where froggies crack.
Froggies crack, and this is not a picture.
It's a video!
Yeah.
Tay knew that.
We're gonna make a musical now.
Yes, we are.
Which means Tay get on the Lizzo. Wow.
And y'all are like so lucky because y'all get to see the making of the musical.
And
Okay.
action. Take one.
Before we get started, yogos are the food of the future. Alright, let's go.
Okay. Singing in the rain. Take one. And
Don't bother me.
oh my gosh. It's raining.
This is the part where Jordan or somebody will spray us with water.
It is raining.
We're singing in
No,
the rain.
Singing
in the rain.
We're singing in the rain. Just sing.
We're singing, 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 singing. In the rain.
Whoa.
Now, then there's going to be a small cut or take or whatever, and then we're going to go, it's raining men. And then it's going to be all like music fantastical, and we're still working on the choreographical and stuff.
Okay, take over.
Snigs.
No, take over.
Okay, Tay take over camera.
Choreography. We go all like boom boom and playing. We're like, oh my gosh, it's raining. And then we kick the ball. We kick the ball. Don't fall on the booty. And then we all like, we grab the umbrella. And then
It's Scooby-Doo, by the way.
we go, where's the car? Is that someone you know?
I don't think.
Okay,
Oh well.
grab the umbrella, we go, we're singing in the rain. Sing. Now it's time to turn it off.
Okay. Goodbye.